Hey, what's up guys? This is Johan and it's pollen season. Alright guys, hold on, I'll get this off. Alright guys, so like I was saying, it's pollen season and you know what that means for me? It is the time of year when I should start gardening. So in today's video, I'm gonna be making a grow bed. I'll show you guys outside. Like the outside beds and what I'm planning on doing, and me and the wife were just having a couple of little things that we're looking into. But I was building a garden bed for my wife and I was like, why not just put this on video and see what comes from it. And you know, I'm kind of novice gardener type thing, but I do have a green thumb. So I'm gonna take what I've learned in the past and put it on this video. Hope you guys like it. Alright guys, so as you can see, I already started with a frame, just having some 2x4s. I'm gonna make it 4 2x4s high. I already have some cut 4x6, so 4 width, 6 inches long. It's a little bit wider than my wife wanted, but I already got the wood pre-cut and I didn't want to go ahead and cut anything else, so just go ahead and cut it and leave it as is. She wanted 3 inches and then she was like 4, and she was 3, and then I did the 4 so it'd be more, and then she saw it and she's like, oh, that's a little bit too big. Oh well, whatever. So I'm gonna do that. Big fish tank coming for, I gotta get some friends to help me move it, so let's go outside and I'll show you guys what I mean. Alright guys, so we're outside here. Winter just broke last week, and so one thing I want to show you, you guys can see right here, there's a square right there and a square right there. I just covered up some chopped grass. I just cut my grass. I got some another there and there. So I am getting ready for to be planting some stuff. So what I'm using the chopped grass to do is just cover up the dirt, so it actually kills any other grass that's going on there, and then I'm gonna come back out, remove that in about a month, and then put some topsoil on there and start planting. I've learned that a long time ago when I was back in high school, when you used to do agriculture back in the Caribbean. It's a little trick we used to do to kill off any unwanted grass or anything unwanted, anything that's growing in that area that we want to use. But guys, it's a little bit late starting this. There's a greenhouse back there, still need to be redone. We didn't really get a chance to do anything. This winter kind of snuck up on us because it was just cold this entire time. Yeah, I'm just using it to store stuff right now. Nothing too crazy. Fish tank stuff still over there. Some of the dead tomatoes that I had last year that didn't make it for the winter and stuff. So there's a lot of stuff that we have to do. Get the electronics and well, we shouldn't need to do the gas, but I'd like to work on that before we need the gas next winter. Anyways, let's go back inside and alright guys, so we are back inside and I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on a tripod and do a speed run through this. If you guys are new to the channel because of the title, making a grow bed, I usually do saltwater fish tanks. That's usually my thing, growing coral and keeping saltwater fish. But with this new house that I have, I'm gonna start doing gardening. So if you like this whole gardening thing and you're into saltwater fish tanks as well, I urge you to subscribe. Anyways, put you on a tripod and do a time lapse. done with it. It's about 6 foot, a little bit longer, 6 foot 4 inches, 2x4s. I think this is, yeah, whatever a 2x4 width is times 2. So let's just say 2 inches. Yeah, 6 inches by 4 inches wide, and it's a little bit rocky. I did split some wood somewhere, but you know, it's okay for something that's just going into the dirt. I originally did it last night, and then I worked by using nails. You can see some nails in some areas, but the nails did not hold it together. They weren't long enough or thick enough, so I just had some nails laying around. Went to Home Depot this morning, got some nail screws, screwed it in. So I have the metal right here at the base to hold it in tight. I might use this as the top or the base, I just don't know. Yeah, I'll use it at the top because the little dowels I use to stick it in sticks out here a little bit better. So if I use 2x4s, I could probably get away with using 4x6s, but I went 2x4s for them, and then I'm going to just put this outside and then we'll go from there. Alright guys, so I got the raised bed out here. Ooh, wrong way. Alright, so I got the raised bed out here, and it's looking good. So right here, what I think my wife is planning on doing is the septic tank is right below here. So I'm not sure if we're gonna grow anything here, or we might grow something here, but she was gonna put a raised bed here so we could easily remove the stuff that we want to grow here, or just plant simple greens here. But I thought putting it here, but then I thought the truck has to come this way if we're gonna pump the septic system in, like, say 5-6 years or whatever. So I'm putting it here for now. Once she gets home, we'll figure out where we're gonna put it. And like I said, you know, what we're gonna do is probably have like 4 more of these I'm gonna build. I just put some little mulch at the bottom, and then some dirt, and then some topsoil, and a little bit of manure if we're gonna grow some lettuce and stuff like that. But this property came with a lot of land and greenhouse. I'm happy about the greenhouse. Gotta fix that birdhouse off in the distance right there. It looks a little bit creepy. So I gotta fix this birdhouse, and yeah, I get that. Let's get set. The little shed back there. So these nice little beds. I just have some, I say, grass and stuff. I'm gonna cut some more grass later on today and get this thing going. Hey guys, just been a few days later. I decided let me wait before I put the video out, show you guys what it looks like with some dirt in it. So right underneath the topsoil, I have some mulch, and that's gonna provide some type of aeration. It's basically like chopped up grass as mulch and some dried up leaves that's below this, and then it's a bit of mix between topsoil, some manure. We're gonna put a little bit more dirt in here, and then a little bit more dirt and topsoil just to give us make it higher, so we have more dirt so we could grow things like I'm not sure if we're gonna go or any carrots or anything like that, but mainly lettuce and some other stuff. So I think my wife got some stuff in the greenhouse. Let me go look, see what she has. Alright guys, so here are some of the things we're gonna put. Lettuce, we got some more lettuce over here. There's some peppers that grew, kind of died back because of the winter is really cold, so it's coming back. This is an avocado tree, mango plant, sapling right there, that one back there, and another avocado really tall. So I'm basically also, my mangoes, I basically starting all the way over because I forgot them out. I went out of town and then I forgot them out, and the temperature went from about 75 to about 36 overnight. So I ended up losing my big mango plant. This one was like about this wide right here from the stem, but it died, so I cut back some of the stuff just to see if it will come back alive. I doubt it would, but you know, it's a tropical plant, not made for the winter seasons. But like I said, this main video was just showing you guys the update on the garden bed. Okay, so there you have it. There is the entire garage bed, the garden bed. I just made it for some 2x4s, a little 2x2 in the center for the edges right there, and then some metal clamps on each corner to hold it in, and then just put it in there. So once we get all the topsoil in and everything, then I'll do an update on that. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. You know, I'm starting to garden during on this channel. I'll do a little bit. So I'm planning on trying to upload a lot more videos this year. I'm already behind. I'm 2 weeks behind on every week. So I'm planning on doing is having maybe 3 videos, 2 related to saltwater fish tanks, and then the third one is related to wife is home, so that's the garage opening. So yeah, anyways, one relates to gardening, and then 2 relates to fish tank. So if you guys are into gardening, you know, you can stick around and see that. And anyways, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, and also remember to subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.